Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. I have an interesting light to review for you today. This is the TS2 LED self-rescue light from Thrunite. It is a lantern style light. Here's the light itself. It's operated by that side switch. So you just press that to turn it on. Now that is the low mode, that is 5 lumens. And it's got a medium and a high mode as well. You press and hold to cycle through those. Alright, that is the high mode. It is 118 lumens. And the medium mode is 40 lumens. You can also double tap and it will flash SOS. Okay, warning, this is going to have some flashing lights. Alright, so self-rescue light, right? You can signal for help. This comes with a number of accessories. You have a charging and discharging cable. I'll explain that. Came with this little rubber band. And it's got a magnetic carabiner hook. It is a swing gate style carabiner. There's a magnet at the end. Right, so you can hang your light, right, and use it as a lantern. This also comes with a battery. In fact, the entire thing is basically a battery. Right, you can remove this bulb. So now what you have is a 21700 lithium-ion battery with a very large capacity. Right, so when you're not using this as a lantern light, you can use it as a battery, but wait, you can also use this as a power bank. Okay, behold, this cable has micro USB, Type-C, and Lightning. You can power devices. So I got this device here. Plug that in. Okay, hold on. Let's see if this can power my retro console. You see that? So this is running off this now. It's a power bank. Let's I want to play. You want to play this tank game? A little dusty. I want to play this tank. I don't know if you can see that on the. Yeah. Oh, what the hell, dude? Yeah, I'm just gonna play this for a couple hours in the review. You won't mind that. Oh, just kidding. All right, but you get the idea. You can power devices. You can charge devices. It's very useful to have a power bank. You know, it's a lantern light and it's a power bank. Right? And when you need a lantern at your camp, you can put the bulb back on. I mean, that's pretty darn useful. Now, you can also recharge this. You can recharge this. Alright, so when your power bank or your battery is depleted, you can recharge this from any USB power source. This is another power bank I have. And when it's recharging, hey, hold on. You see that? You see those green lights? That's to indicate it's charging. Alright, so you see it's almost fully charged because I just charged it earlier. But when that's, you know, those will blink until they're all lit up and then it'll be fully charged. Alright, so at this time I'm going to roll in some outside demonstration footage. Now it is a lantern style light, so I don't really have to, you know, try and shine it across a field or anything, but we can just walk around and see what it would look like if you had this as a work light, you know, at your campsite, in your tent. Okay, so here's the lantern style light sitting in front of the testing board there, providing some good illumination. Let's cycle through the modes or the brightness levels. Alright, so that's low. That's medium. And that's the high mode. Alright, so a good amount of light. You know, definitely enough to, like, you could use it as a task light, a work light. Remember, it has that hook, right? So you could have it hang down like this. Alright, here it is. That's the stump that I usually We'll start fires on with the fire steel. Some wood I just split from a video that's upcoming. And here's the wood pile. Alright, so this provides a good deal of illumination, as you can see. Okay, let's try the SOS mode. So warning, this is going to flash. Alright, so that's the SOS mode. Alright, we are back. So you can also recharge your flashlights with this. You can recharge other batteries. Like here I have it hooked up to another battery, another rechargeable battery. Alright, hold on, let me turn off the lights so you can see the charging indicators. Okay, so you see those lights, those green lights, that indicates that it's discharging, and it's discharging into this other battery. Now, can you see that? Can you see that red light? Hold on. I don't know if you can see that red light. There it is. Yeah, I can see it in the viewfinder. So that's the charging indicator on the battery that's being charged. Now note, with these two batteries, okay, that is type C, right? But that is also type C, right? So you can still charge things that have type C. Okay, one more demo of this recharging something. So I've reviewed this light in the past. Awesome light. You see the charging indicator, right? So this is being recharged by that now. So that's being a power bank, right? And again, this is type C recharging. All right, so this thing is just darn useful. So for example, if you have a 21700 light in your bug out bag, and you know, because it's a bug out bag, you want to carry a spare battery, you might as well put this in too, because then you can use this as a lantern light. You're camping out. So I think this is a really useful item because lantern lights are useful, power banks are useful, and having an extra 21700 battery could be useful too. All right, so it's innovative. It's innovative. Definitely a good thing for preppers. If you're going to carry a power bank anyway, which a lot of people do, you might as well have a power bank that you can use as a nice camp lantern light as well. All right, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it has been useful to you. In the text description box, I will include Thrunite's official website and where you can buy this, some Amazon links to other Thrunite products. All right, so check those out. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.